Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. But y'all, guess what we're gonna be making today? If you read the title below, we're gonna be making a ring light. Yeah. So we're gonna get into this. You will need wax paper, aluminum foil, tape, scissors, a Sharpie, LED rope light, zip ties, a wreath, and some cardboard. Firstly, you want to take your cardboard and your wreath and trace a circle. After tracing, it should look just like this. So now you're done tracing. Now is the hard part. You have to cut this circle out. And this is what you should get after you get done cutting. Yes. 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 So we can just toss that to the side. Okay, so now basically you just want to grab your aluminum foil and you just want to take pieces and wrap them around the circle. Easy, right? So it should start to begin looking a little like this. You just keep going, taking pieces and wrapping it around the circle. Easy peasy. So now you want to take your zip ties and your lights, and what you want to do is just zip tie the lights onto the wreath. It's going to be a little difficult, but you got it. So just continue tying the lights to the wreath with the zip ties and just go all the way around and keep going and going and going. So now you want to get the light and bring it under the wreath. Flip the wreath over and zip tie it to the back. Now you just want to place these two over each other and zip tie the whole thing together. Now just proceed to wrap the wax paper around the ring light and tape it. So after you've accomplished that, it should look just like this. Thank you guys for watching my video. If this video was helpful to you, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below and click that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video.